Hello everyone, good afternoon. This video is catered for Maths Olympiad students or any student who is interested in some analytical maths. Today we will be discussing the page problem. So what is this page problem? Basically in this kind of problems you will be given a book with certain number of pages and the problem will ask you to find the occurrence of a particular digit. So for example, let's say a book has 300 pages and you need to find how many times a particular digit, let's say 2, occurs in this whole book. So the exact problem that we will solve for right now is a book having 500 pages, numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So all these pages are consecutive as in any book. And the assumption, we always assume that the book has all the 500 pages intact. So a book with 500 pages, how many times does the digit 1 appear in the page numbers? So in any book which is numbered from 1 to 500, they are asking how many times the digit 1, the number 1, appears in all these 500 page numbers. So hope you all understood the question. Let's pause and think for a second. So what will be the approach in this problem? So let's see, let's think from the perspective of place values. So in this book which has up to 500 pages, we'll have at max 3 place values: units place, tens place and hundreds place, right? So we will look for all the occurrences of the asked digit, which is 1 in this case, in the units place. So all possible unit places in the whole book, all possible tens places in the whole book, and all possible hundreds place in the whole book. Let's start with the units place. We know, let's look at it from, let's see from the example. Let's take an example and see. So we have the book which starts from page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So between 1 to 10, we have only one page which has 1 in the units place. Then we'll have 11 to 20. Again, we have only one page which has 1 in the units place. Likewise, 21 to 30, 31 to 40. So in each 10, 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 91 to 100, we are getting one page which has 1 in the units place. 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, likewise 81, 91, right? So in each 100, between 1 to 100, we get 10 tens, and in each of the tens we have one page with a 1 in the units place. So in each 100 we are getting 10 pages with 1 in the unit places, right? So we have 500 pages. That means we have 50 tens. So with 500s. Each 100 we are getting 10 of such pages. So in all the 500 pages, we'll get 10 times 5, 50 such pages which has 1 in the units place. Same way, now let's look at the tens place. So in the very first 100, we have 1 to 10, 11 to 20, likewise 91 to 100. In the tens place, we have 1 in number 10, and then all the way from 11 to 19, right? So we have one page with number 10 with a 1 in the tens place. 11, we have 1 in the tens place. 12, we have 1 in the tens place. Likewise 19, we have 1 in the tens place. So we have 10 such pages between 10 and 19 which have 1 in the tens place. There is no other page number within the first 100, right? So we'll have in the first 100 we are getting 10 pages with 1 in the tens place. Same way in the second 100, between 101 to 200, again we'll have 110, 111, 112, 113, likewise 119. So we'll get 10 pages 110 to 119, 10 pages with 1 in the tens place. So in 100 we have 10, in 100 and 200 we have another 10. So in every 100 we are getting 10. 500 has 5 hundreds, so 5 times 10. So 10 in each 100 times 500, so we get again 50. Same way, how many tens do we have in the hundreds place? So the very first number with a 1 in the hundreds place is 100 itself. Thereafter, every subsequent page from 101 till 199 has a 1 in the hundreds place. That's all right. So once we hit 200, thereafter all the way to 500, we don't get any other 1 in the hundreds place. So all the pages with 1 in the hundreds place are the page numbers from 100 to 199, which is total 100 pages. So we are getting 100 page numbers with digit 1 in the hundreds place. So total how many we got then? 100 ones in the hundreds place, 50 ones in the tens place, and 50 ones in the units place. So total we have 200 such page numbers in this book,